Vice President Chiwenga, a man of the moment, the man of the people, is in Azerbaijan for the World Urban Forum. Leaders from across the globe have gathered to discuss how cities should be built, maintained, and used to grow GDP. Celebrate mashkobdanyo kwa chinzi. World leaders erupt in applause. Chiwenga CWF address sparks standing ovation. This was the best address ever from the African delegation. Celebrate mashkobdanyo kwa pangwa ino. And subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Akome chambdanyo rachiti. When Vice President Chiwenga took the stage, the room went quiet. He opened by greeting world leaders and congratulating Azerbaijan for hosting such an important forum. Then he said, "A house is not just shelter, it is a human right." Heads nodded across the hall. Smiles spread. When he finished, delegates rose to their feet, clapping and cheering. For many in the room, it was the first time they had seen a Zimbabwean delegation receive that level of applause and standing ovation. The moment shows how the international community is receiving Chiwenga as a leader who speaks for the people. While some African leaders have addressed empty rooms or watched delegates walk out mid-speech, Chiwenga's support now reaches beyond Zimbabwe's borders. The world is listening. Doma developments and mdanyo kwa pangwa ine naize makomichi achiwa pangwa ine achiti vipi kosa ndo Chiwenga anazikana kuti he attended World Urban Forum event irikono kwa kunzi iruya pangwa ine ichitarisa nekureflecta kuti what can we do kuita kuti nyika dzedu dzeZimbabwe nyika dzedu dzatati strong, especially Zimbabwe is represented by VP Constantino Chiwenga, can be built, maintained and used to grow GDP. Pina comment section medu za full email kuli pamselo pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, concentrate on the bell icon.